Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Fidelity's employee benefit services. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's employee benefit services, this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in on the website, or you can choose to log in on the Fidelity mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on employee benefits, and then you're going to just click on overview, and there you can browse the employee benefits services. That includes health insurance, retirement plans and whatnot, and you can use the service to manage employee benefits. You can also enroll employees in benefits program. Likewise, you can monitor the benefit activities and use the service to administer employee benefits. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's employee benefits services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the